everything around us in the entire universe is actually controlled by force? That's pretty amazing, don't you think? From our planets moving around in space, to the sea rolling in and out, as well as walking and running, and even pushing our friend on a swing. Forces pretty much control everything. So, let's find out how these mysterious forces of push and pull work. Look, there is one car, and a man is standing behind this stationary car. Will the car move due to just his presence? No, he needs to do something. The man now begins to push the car. That means he applies a force on it. But the car is still not moving. It means, in this case, the car needs more force. Here, another person comes. Now, they both are pushing the car, and here the car is moving in the direction of the applied force. Let's see more examples.
Here, two unequal weighted boys are pushing the cupboard opposite sides to each other. It means they are applying the force in the opposite direction of each other. Hey look, the cupboard is moving left side because the applied force from the right side is more compared to the applied force than the left side. The force that causes a change in the motion of an object is an unbalanced force.
Now, here are two boys and one big ball on the road. The two boys have started pushing the big ball, and the ball is moving in the direction of the applied force. Now, one boy is going to the opposite direction of the big ball. Now, these two boys are applying the force in the opposite direction. In this case, the ball is moving to the side where more force is applied. From these examples, we can infer that at least two objects must interact for a force to come into play. Thus, an interaction of one object with another object results in a force between the two objects. We've talked about push. Now, let's discuss pull. To understand what is pull, we are here at this beautiful village farm. Here, we will learn how to pull the water from the well. Now, the bullocks move surrounding the wheel, and the wheel is connected with the well water pulling system. And during this process, the water is flown into the water tank. That's why we can say that animals also make use of force to carry out physical activities and other tasks. In this example, we can learn how to pull the more weighted object. Let's see. Pulling the cube. Here, one man is pulling the car using a tight rope. Here, the man is applying the force on the car using the rope. He is not pushing the car, but pulling it. In this activity, we have learned that when a push or pull is applied to an object, it is called force. The SI unit of force is Newton. A force can change the state of an object from rest to motion or vice versa. To let a force come into play, two or more objects must interact with each other. When two forces act in the same direction, the net resultant force on an object is the sum of these two forces. When two forces act in opposite directions, the net resultant force is the difference between these two forces. The force has a magnitude that describes its strength.